All right, so this video is going to show how to submit an accommodation request for a specific term. The term accommodation request really just links a student's approved accommodations to their current courses. We are going to be using our example student Clash here, who is enrolled in some example courses. When a student first logs into AIM, they will be on their dashboard in the overview section, and the accommodation request for that current term will show up, as well as information about who their cater advisor is and how to set up an appointment with their advisor. So we can see this will show how many requests have already been submitted by the student for that term, and if there are additional courses that they are registered for that they haven't submitted a request for. So it says we have one available to do. Students can go ahead and click the plus button or the add request for one class button, and it will take them to the course where they can select the course. If students are completing this for every course at once, they can choose to apply the same accommodations to each course, or they can individualize their plan based on the specific nature of each course. So once a student continues on to the next step, they have a few options. They can select that they do not need any accommodations for that course, or don't anticipate that they will need any accommodations. They can select all of their approved accommodations, or they can go through and choose the accommodations that they would like to pair with that specific course. Once they make those selections, there's a final step here. Students acknowledge that the accommodations being submitted will generate a letter to notify their instructor, and they can submit the request, or if need be, can start over with the process. Once the request is submitted, it will show up in the student's AIM dashboard so that they can see each of their requests